Okay, in front of me, I got myself a speaker with 2 speakers because I need 2 speakers for this experiment. All right, so in order to use the speaker, I need an amplifier, and I'm going to be using this 12-volt amplifier right here. Now I need a 12-volt power supply. I'm going to be using this 11.1-volt lithium polymer battery right here, this beast of a battery. Okay, so once I connect this, it's going to power up the amplifier. Boom, as you can see, we have power. Now all I have to do is just plug in the wires to the speaker and I'll be able to play a song. So I marked my positive like this, okay? So to start off, I'm going to use one amplifier to play both speakers just to hear like what it sounds like with both speakers. Positive this one, boom, negative. Boom. Alright, it's connected. Let's play a song. Okay, so that's how it sounds with both speakers. Okay, now I have to take apart the speaker to access the separate wires from each speaker. Okay, let's do that. Speakers now are connected to one channel each. As you can see right here, we have 2 wires indicating 2 speakers, and the 2 speakers are these 2 speakers right here. Okay, let's press play on the song. Okay, by the way, right now, the wiring is correct. So, the speakers are wired correctly. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire one of the speakers in reverse, and then we'll see if the sound quality improves or decreases. Alright, so the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to reverse this wire right here. So the positive is going to go to the negative, and the negative is going to go to the positive. Alright, there we go, it's done. I have reversed the speaker. Alright, so let's play the song again. Okay, so we'll start the song again. I'll increase the volume. Okay, it's wired in the right way now. When I wire it the wrong way, the bass actually decreases, but it also increases some other thing to the song itself. So it's almost like it's losing something but increasing something else. And then when I wire it the correct way, I get a good balance of everything. So yeah, that's what I have concluded. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.